Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gimme Three Steps on guitar. We will begin by mastering the iconic main riff. This section primarily uses three fundamental chords: D major, C major, and G major. Pay close attention to the strumming pattern, which is a steady down-up motion. Practice transitioning smoothly between these three shapes to build muscle memory and achieve that classic sound. This foundational riff sets the stage for the entire song. Next, let's tackle the verse sections of the song. You'll be pleased to know that the verse largely utilizes the same three chords we just learned: D, C, and G. The key here is to maintain a consistent and steady strumming pattern, often a simple down-up motion. Focus on keeping your rhythm tight and in time with the song's overall feel. Practice these transitions until they feel natural and effortless. Now we move on to the chorus and any potential bridge sections. The chorus often brings back the familiar main riff, reinforcing the song's core theme. If there's a bridge, it might introduce a slight variation in the chord progression or a different rhythmic feel. Pay attention to these subtle changes. The goal is to ensure your chord changes are precise and your timing remains solid, making each section distinct yet cohesive. Finally, let's talk about putting it all together. Start by practicing each section individually at a slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence. A fantastic way to improve is to play along with the original recording. This helps refine your timing and feel. Pay attention to the song's dynamics and overall energy to truly capture its authentic sound. Consistent practice is key to mastering this classic tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.